na yung mag-volunteer to learn more about your faith, about your belief, about your religion. Ayan. So, not necessarily challenges in my freelancing journey, but more on personal. Although, siguro pwede ko rin i-share yung yung pag naghahanap ka ng client, ayan. Yung pag desperate, yung parang, diba, kakailang pasa na ako, ganyan-ganyan. Before, syempre, nandun yung feeling mo na, parang gigil ka na, desperado ka na kasi walang client. Tapos, feeling mo, yung ikaw, kasi wala kang control so gigil ka, desperado ka, ganyan. Siguro, after nung growth na yun, yung spiritual growth, every time I try to submit, every time I try to send a message or submit, as much as possible, magdadasal muna ako bago mag-hit ng button